Hello friends and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Mandy and I like to talk about makeup panning, nail polish, and sometimes things happening in my real life. Today I have my update for the project It's Panning Cats and Dogs, so stay tuned. Alright, this is a fantastic ladies collab group project that was created by Deb B and Dannie at Dannie's Makeup. This is a rolling style project that is all about pets, cats, dogs, fish, furry friends, feathered friends, any sort of animal companion that you may have. It started on October 22nd of 2023 and goes until October 22nd of 2024. And October 22nd is National Make a Dog's Day. So, as a pet sitter, I am a big fan of pets. And I don't have any of my own, but I take care of a lot of other people's pets, and I feel like they're my extended family. So, I felt drawn to do this project. So, I've been working on this, and I am doing really well. I only have a few prompts left, and a couple of those are rolling out. So, let's talk about what I've been working on and what can roll out. The first prompt I'm working on is for ball or toys. This is something that always rolls away from you. And for that, I brought in my LA Girl Pro Primer HD whatever eye priming stick. And my goal is to finish it. This month I have used it 6 times, and prior to that I had used it 10. So I'm up to 16 uses. It did get down to the point where it was going to scrape my eyes to use it, so I dug all that was out there, and I have it in this little pot, and there's not a whole lot left in there. That's all that's left, but I don't need a whole lot to use each time I use it, so it'll probably be around till the end of the project, but that's okay. I am using it, I enjoy it, and it is getting used, so that is staying in. The next prompt I'm working on is for catnip, and that is something that makes you lose your mind. Because catnip. I brought in a nail polish because I am a big nail polish enthusiast, and I brought in this beautiful nail polish from Witch Cult Nail Lacquer, and this is in the shade Hectate's Tears. It is a magnetic, and I do have a swatch of it for you. This is what it looks like. It has a black base with a tealy blue and purple shimmer with some little glitters throughout. It is gorgeous. It is beautiful. It is, I mean, just look at those colors in the bottle. It's, lose my mind for this. I've only worn it once, but not in this project. In this project, I have it for 2 uses, and I have yet to get to it, but it is coming up in my rotation, so I will get to it soon. The next prompt is for Chihuahua, and that is something the beauty community can't stop yapping about. And I brought in a Laneige lip sleeping mask. This is a deluxe sample, or just a sample, I guess. And this is in the berry flavor scent. Because everybody talks about how great these are, and I had not yet tried them, so I had this sample, and I've been working on it, finally. My other lip mask, I finally finished. So I have started working on it, and that's how much we have used so far. The formula is really great. I do enjoy it. I don't particularly care for this scent because it reminds me of the like strawberry numbing agent they use at the dentist. You know, like they put on the Q-tip and stick in there before they give you your Novocaine shots. That's what this scent reminds me of. So, not my favorite scent, but I do enjoy the formula, and if I have a chance to pick some up on discount in the future, I will definitely do that. It is quite worth it, I think. I don't know how much it is normally, but I have a feeling it's not cheap. And that is everything on the first page. Next page. I am working on huskies. Those are loud talkers, and that is something that is bold or a loud product or packaging. And for that, I brought in an eyeliner from NYX. It is their Slide On Glide On formula in the shade Platinum. I think this shade has been discontinued, but it is beautiful. I am wearing it along my upper lid lash line today. It is really beautiful, quite a bold metallic eyeliner. Goes on nice and smooth and creamy and nice and bold. My goal is to use it 5 times, and today is use number 3. So I have 2 more uses left to go, and that should not be a problem. It's an easy formula for me to work with. The next prompt is for a lab or golden retriever. And they are hunting dogs, and this is a product you had to hunt down or was hard to find. For me, it was a black eye stick that was hard to find when I was looking for one. So I brought in this one. It is from Maybelline. It is their Color Tattoo eye stick in black. And I am wearing it today on my lower lash line as a liner, as well as my upper lash line as a base. I used a black base. I mean, who am I? I'm wearing black lipstick too, so go figure. Anyway, it is a really nice creamy lip product. There it is there. It seemed to lay down quite nicely for a base, so I really enjoyed it. My goal is to use it 5 times. This is only my 2nd use, so I am looking forward to 3 more uses. The sharpener is quite loose, but it does come with a sharpener in the end. So yeah, have that down, and 2 out of 5 uses, so 3 more uses left to go. The next product prompt is for Pug, and that is something with cute packaging, because pugs are adorable. So I brought in this mini perfume from Eilish. This is Eilish number 1. And it comes in this teeny tiny little replica of the regular size bottle, but it's mini. It's cute. It's adorable. I mean, if you like a bust. Anyway, the perfume's good too. My goal was to use this 11 times, and at the last update I'd used it 7, and over the last month I've used it 4 more times. So that means this is rolling out. I think I've used it more than that, but I met my goal, and it is rolling out. The next prompt, I keep saying the product before the prompt. The next prompt is for Scooby-Doo, and that is an item that came from a mystery box or something you have never tried before. I brought in something I'd never tried before. This was, or is, I'd never tried anything from youth to the people. So this was a new product, and this is the Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamins Superfood Cleanser, just the deluxe sample size, and I brought it in. It was brand new, and over the last month we were here, and over the last month I've been there because this is my travel face wash at the moment, and I've been away from home quite a bit, so I got quite a bit of use out of it. And my goal is to see how far I can get with it, if I can finish it. If not, yeah, no big deal. But I'm guessing I'll probably finish it. We still have a couple more months left. And last but not least, right? Yes, is for the prompt vet bills, and that is something expensive. And after doing research, after bringing this product in, it's not as expensive as I thought it was, but it seems expensive to me. So this is what I brought in. It is a deluxe sample size. It is from CosRx, and it is their oil-free ultra moisturizing lotion with birch sap. This little guy here, brought it in. It was brand new. This is the 20 ml size. And so far we are right there. I use this as my nighttime travel lotion because during the day I use my Sunbum Face SPF as my daytime lotion, and so this is my nighttime lotion, and we're making good progress on it. Again, this is another one to see, I brought in to see how far I can go with it and possibly finish it. I just realized I did skip a prompt. I skipped a prompt. I did. I'm like, I have a product on the table. Why did I not talk about it? Because I missed that prompt. So going back up, we have ID tags, and that is something that starts with the first letter of your name. My name is Mandy. So I brought in the Marvicorn palette from BH Cosmetics, and I decided to work on the shade Moana. because it starts with an M and so does Marvy Corn. It is this teal shade here. It is probably the first shade I got used. Anyway, you can see it has a great big pan in it. I am wearing it today on the outer half of my eye look. It is really beautiful. I will give you a swatch of it. And my goal for it is to use it. There it is. Gorgeous teal. My goal is to use it 16 times because it's prompt number 16 on the list. And so far I have used it 8 times prior to this update. Over the last month, apparently I've only worn it once, which was today. I feel like I may have worn it one other time, but I didn't record it. But one more use, so that brings me up to 9 uses. So that means I have 7 more uses left to go. And I'm sure I can do that. It's a pleasure to use. So now, I think that is everything. There are no more prompts left for me to roll in. So, that being said, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel yet, I would really much appreciate it. Really much appreciate it? Yeah. I would really much appreciate it if you would do that before you leave today. I am trying to reach 200 subscribers before the end of the year, and your subscription would help. And there goes my phone. Until my next video, take care of yourselves, stay true to you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!